Hey guys, it's Vonnie from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're not, then welcome back. Today I want to talk about some exciting news for parents and readers when we come back. So if you're a homeschooler and you have not heard of the Good and the Beautiful company, you definitely need to check out their website. They have curriculum for every subject. I'm talking about history, language arts, art, nature study, math, science, and more. So you can check out their website in this link below and you'll find some great stuff there. All of their curriculum is set to a Christian perspective with good and beautiful images and messages. But today I'm excited to announce that the Good and the Beautiful have just released a library where they have taken old books that are extremely hard or impossible to find and reprinted them with new beautiful covers. They are full of beautiful and wholesome literature that teaches good values and puts beauty into the minds of children. If you are not a homeschooler, that doesn't matter. I'm sure as a parent you still want your children to fill their minds with good and wholesome content. These books are amazing, but somehow have fallen to the side and were no longer being printed until now. Many of these books are so rare and hard to find that the few that were available cost hundreds of dollars. They will now be available for only $5 to $10. Their goal is to get these books back into the world. So make sure you check out the Good and the Beautiful library. True good and beautiful style. Beautiful, inexpensive, and high quality. You can add these books to your children's summer collection or have them read it year-round like I'm going to do. For more videos on the Good and the Beautiful curriculum, or if you'd like to see how my children and I use them, check out my playlist. If you are interested in family style vlogs, homeschool tips and advice, homeschooling day in the life, and more, make sure you browse through my channel, and if you like what you see, I'd love to have you subscribe for more.